How to fix Instagram messages not sending. Hi everyone, Maxi here, and I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'll guide you through some simple steps to fix the issue of Instagram messages not sending. Let's jump right into it without wasting any time. 1. Check your internet connection. The first step is to ensure your device is connected to a stable and reliable internet connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa to see if it resolves the problem. 2. Update the Instagram app. Open the Play Store or App Store for iOS users. Use the search bar to look for Instagram. If you see an option to update, tap Update to install the latest version. Keeping the app updated can fix many bugs, including message-related issues. 3. Clear app cache and data. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Apps or App Management. Search for Instagram in the list of apps. Tap Force Stop to close the app completely. Go to Storage Usage, then tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. Confirm by selecting Delete. 4. Restart the Instagram app. Once you've cleared the app data, restart the Instagram app and log back into your account. Check if the issue with sending messages is resolved. And that's it. These steps should help you fix the issue of Instagram messages not sending. If this guide was helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or want to suggest a topic for our next video, drop them in the comments below. This is Max, signing off. See you in the next video.